welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about hair. So I've been wearing tape-in extensions for a while now. I wore tape-ins for 6 months, and maybe like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, I decided to remove them, which was perfect timing because now with the quarantine, I did put them in myself one time, but anyways, I wanted to take a break and that's what I did. But I still really like to have long hair once in a while. My own hair right now, where's my own hair? Okay, this is like my top layer, so it's, it's growing, but it's still not long how I like it to be. So I wanted to try some clip-in extensions. I've heard some really great things about insert name here, hair. Did I get it right? Yeah, I think I did. Now you've probably seen their ponytails all over Instagram. It's basically like the really long, like Ariana inspired ponytail. I think those are really nice. They also have bangs, like fake bangs, which I would really like to try. They have some wigs, but I really wanted to try the clip-ins just because I knew I could wear them the most. So these are actually 100% Remy hair. So I don't have all of them in my hair right now. I actually have 2 clips. I don't wear these 2 clips when I want more of a natural look. Like, to me, this is more of a natural look. If I was to add these, it would just be a bit more hair, And these are 20 inches. I got these in the color dark brown, but I colored them. I'll post a clip of what the actual color of these look like when you buy them. So the color is very neutral. I like to have like a very warm tone in my hair, so that's why I colored my hair the same. I'll leave the info on my hair color below. I just did a video. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I really wanted to try clip-ins just to wear once in a while when I wanted to have long hair. And honestly, I'm really happy because I get to enjoy my shorter hair and I get to have long hair when I want to. Today I'm gonna show you actually how I curl my hair, because for the past few months I've actually stopped curling my hair because I didn't really like the way it looked. I don't know why. So I decided to get actually a bigger curling iron. I really like the ones with a clamp. I just kind of prefer the way it looks. And yeah, so I got this one. It's a Babyliss, but it's a bigger one, so I'll leave it below. You can get this on Amazon, and I really like it. It was not too expensive. It was around $50, so pretty good. And yeah, it's a pretty big one. I've never had one this big. So yeah, I really like it. And the way I curl my hair, I just feel like it makes my own hair and the hair extensions blend in really well, and it allows you to not put as much heat everywhere all at once, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I just want to give you a bit more info on the hair that I got. So as I said, I got the 20 inches in dark brown, and if you're not too sure about your color, you can actually just contact them. They'll help you pick your color. And yeah, these are 100% Remy hair, which means it's human hair that you can color, you can wash, you can style. You can do pretty much anything to it. Anything that you would do to your own hair, you can do to your hair extensions. So my set comes with 7 pieces, but as I said, I'm only using 5, which is pretty good. And it comes with a cute bag to actually store your hair extensions in, which is pretty convenient. Yeah, honestly, I'm really happy with this hair. It looks really good. It's shiny. Yeah, I'm just really happy with the quality of the hair. So they also gave me a coupon code, so it's Chloe Z, and it'll save you some money. You can actually use the coupon code on their wigs, their bangs, their ponytails. Anyways, if you have any questions about the hair extensions, just leave them below. And now I will show you how I curl my hair. So the footage of me curling my hair was actually not filmed today. I stopped recording for some reason that day, and then I never continued the video. But I did the exact same thing with my hair. I did the same exact curling technique with my curling iron. And since it's been a few hours since I've curled my hair, my curls have actually like loosened up a little bit, which I personally prefer. So I'm gonna brush my hair a little more. I also feel like the looser the waves, my own hair blends a little better with the hair extensions. So sometimes I apply hairspray, sometimes I don't. When I do, it's mostly like at the root right here, just to get a bit more volume. But recently I haven't been using too much hairspray on my hair just because it's not the best for your hair, but I do just a little bit, and sometimes I will grab my hair like that just so it looks a little fuller. Obviously it's not really going to stay like that, but it kind of helps to give your hair more, you see. Obviously it's not gonna stay like that, but if you wanted to like take some pictures and stuff, you would have, you know, nice voluminous hair. So yeah, this is pretty much how I style my hair with my clip-in extensions. Sometimes I also kind of part my hair on this side. Actually, most of the time I part my hair more like this in, you know, my everyday life. Yeah, if you have any questions about the hair extensions, just leave them below. I'll get back to you. Don't forget you can use Chloe Z to save some money. And if you're wondering for the color of my hair and the hair extensions, it's just the same. I will leave my most recent video on how I dye my hair. And to dye my hair extensions, I didn't show you in the video, but it's very easy. I did a video maybe like a year ago, so I'll leave that below just to see like the process, but it's pretty easy. I just dye it like normal hair. I use a 10 volume developer. So everything will be listed below. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoy. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at Chloe Zadori. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I make plenty more videos. I do obviously a lot of hair videos, perfume videos, fashion hauls, makeup tutorials, girl chats, all of that. So if you want to join my channel, I would love to have you. And yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye!